What's up guys, Bobby here from SlickText's, and today I'm going to show you how to use our mobile send option. Ready? Let's check it out. Our mobile send option, or known as send from phone, allows you to send a text message from your mobile phone to your subscribers. No internet, no app, and no smartphone required. This is a great tool to use in an emergency situation to assign to first responders. Let's check it out. Inside the dashboard, we're going to navigate over to the text words page. On the right side of the text word that you want to enable mobile send, click on Options and Settings. Inside your settings, on the left side here, we're going to scroll down to Send from Phone. On this page here, we're going to give you some instructions. Now I'm going to show you how to do this on the screen in just a moment, but basically we're going to set up our first phone. You can have up to 10 mobile numbers for Send from Phone, and we're going to pop in a phone number here. Okay, I put in my cell phone. Make sure it's active, and I'll save that number. All right, now important. What you have to do here is send a text message to the short code or the phone number on your account. So, all right, so the one on my account is 888-111. I'm gonna go into my text message app, and we're gonna start a new text message here. And we're gonna go ahead and follow the instructions on the screen here to send a text message to our subscriber list, the BB Grill list. Now there's only one person on that list, and that's me. So the first thing we need to do is put in the number. That's our short code, 888-111. And then we're going to go ahead and specify the text word that we're sending to. Mine is BB Grill. Next, you need to put a colon, and I always like to add a space. Okay? Then we're going to type up our message. Once you have your message typed, go ahead and hit the send button on your phone. So what you'll notice is I'll receive a confirmation that my campaign is being sent to the BB Grill list. And then since my number is the only one on the list, I receive the message. And that's how you use our mobile send feature here at SlickText's. Should you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us, 1-800-688-6290, or email us info@slicktext.com. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.